If you're seeing the ChatGPT error 429, which says too many requests, don't worry. This is usually a temporary rate limit, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll go through the quickest solutions first, then move into the practical resets that can help get ChatGPT working again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most important fix is to wait and retry. In many cases, ChatGPT is just limiting how fast requests are coming through, and that limit can reset automatically after a short break. So the first thing you should do is wait anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes, then try your message again. Sometimes even a few minutes is enough. This is the easiest fix and often the one that works immediately, so don't skip it. As a simple reminder, rate limits reset automatically. Now, if you're still getting the error, the next thing to do is slow down your requests. If you're sending messages too quickly, especially back-to-back, ChatGPT may think the system is being overloaded. The best approach is to send one message at a time and wait for the response before sending the next one. Avoid rapid clicking, repeated refreshes, or pasting multiple prompts too quickly. Giving the system a little breathing room can make a big difference. Next, refresh the page. This sounds basic, but sometimes the browser session just gets stuck and a simple refresh can clear the issue. On Windows, you can press Ctrl and R to reload the page. If you're on a Mac, use the browser refresh button or the equivalent shortcut for your browser. After refreshing, sign back in if needed and try the prompt again. If the error is still showing, log out and log back in again. This helps reset your session and can clear temporary authentication or connection issues that are contributing to the 429 message. Go to your account menu, sign out fully, close the tab if needed, then log in again with your account. Once you're back in, test ChatGPT with a single short message first. If that works, then you know the session reset helped. Another useful fix is switching your network, which also means changing your IP address. If your current connection has been rate limited, moving to a different network can help. You can try a mobile hotspot, another Wi-Fi network, or any other stable internet connection. Sometimes simply changing from home Wi-Fi to mobile data is enough to bypass the temporary limit. New IP can remove limits, especially when the restriction is tied to the current network path. Just make sure the new connection is stable before trying again. The final fix is to turn off your VPN. While VPNs are useful for privacy, they can sometimes trigger rate limits faster because many people are sharing the same exit IP address. If ChatGPT sees repeated traffic from the same VPN server, it may respond with a 429 error sooner than expected. Turn off the VPN, reconnect using your regular network, and then try ChatGPT again. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. So to recap, if you get the ChatGPT 429 too many requests error, start by waiting and retrying, then slow down your message rate, refresh the page, log out and log back in, switch networks if needed, and turn off your VPN. Most of the time, one of these steps will fix the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.